Here's how to run a Matter Profitability Report in Clio Manage, step by step. Begin by opening Clio Manage and signing in to your account if you are not already on the main dashboard. Once you're in the workspace, look to the left sidebar and select Reports. This opens the reporting area where Clio Manage groups the available report options. Inside Reports, go to the Classic Reports section. Depending on your layout, you may need to scroll a bit to see it. Open that section, then look for Productivity Reports. This is where Clio Manage places reports related to time, billing activity, and matter level performance. From the Productivity Reports section, select Matter Productivity by User or choose the Matter Profitability Report if that option is available in your account. The exact label can vary, but you are looking for the report that lets you evaluate financial activity connected to matters. After you select it, the report setup screen will open. Next, set the date range you want to analyze. Choose the time period that matches the matters or billing cycle you want to review. This date range controls which billed, collected, and recorded amounts are included, so make sure it reflects the reporting window you need before moving on. If your report includes filters for responsible attorney, practice area, or specific matters, select the ones you want to include. Use these filters only if you want to narrow the report to a certain group of matters or a specific attorney. If you want a broader view, leave those options set to include all available records. After that, configure the remaining report options shown on the page. These settings can vary depending on the report version available in your Clio Manage account. Review each field and select the options that fit the report you want to generate. If there is a field you do not need to change, leave the default selection in place and continue. Once the report settings are ready, choose your preferred output format. Clio Manage commonly offers formats such as PDF or CSV. Pick the one that matches how you plan to review or share the report. PDF is useful for a fixed layout, while CSV is better if you want to sort or analyze the data outside Clio Manage. Now click Generate Report. Clio Manage will process the request and open or download the report, depending on the format you selected and your browser settings. If it takes a moment to load, wait for the report to finish generating before reviewing the results. When the report appears, review the figures for the matters included in the report. Compare the amounts billed, collected, and recorded so you can see how each matter is performing. This view helps you assess whether recorded work is being billed and whether billed amounts are being collected across the selected matters. Your Matter Profitability Report in Clio Manage is now generated and ready for review.